Alright, this is precisealgorithmtrading.com. It is Monday, October 30th, 2023. We got one more day in the month, and let's just dive right in here to the indexes. So, this is the S&P 500, and we've been on a pretty big pullback here lately, but we're starting to see some life over here on the hourly chart. Not that uh, that's the be all end all, but I did take a half position in some things today and putting my stop pretty tight underneath this range, so that if I'm wrong, I'm going to just lose a little, and if I'm right, then we're on a new trend upside to the upside. So, um, what else we got? The Dow was up 511 points today. It's quite a big number. Um, Same kind of thing. We got a little reversal here. I am going to go ahead and put in. I could be more accurate than this, but I'm going to put in an alert at or below, and potentially buy some more on a reversal there, with the idea that we're going to pull down and then hopefully rally from there. The Russell looks worse than all of them. It hasn't reversed on the hourly. Um, but it has returned to this is the I believe that's 252 period low, so we're pretty much at the yearly lows. These are the yearly highs, the white line up there. The NASDAQ has started a reversal, potentially. Same kind of thing. If I was going to take a position, which I did in the Qs for what it's worth, I took a half a position, and I'm ready to buy a little bit more on a pullback and not risk very much. Alright, the transports, they've started to reverse back up on the hourly chart, and we'll see how that goes as well. So, alright. Um, the oil market was down today roughly 3%, and it has been really kind of cratered overnight and then during the day, and now we're starting to potentially come back up again a little bit after a pretty large rally really on uh, Thursday night, and then it came back down, came into Friday, and it was quite a rally on Friday up to the end of the day. Sold off at these highs. No, that's not correct. Sold off here, sorry, at that other pivot. So, yeah, so that's the oil market for now. It looks like it needs to confirm a downward move by going through this pivot, and we'll see if it does that or not. At this point, too, I want to call out the Harvard lines really on the overall market. We're below the blue Harvard line and have been now for a while. A breach of that would have been an exit for any long term based on that system, and now we've just got to wait. It won't be tomorrow because we got to wait till we get back up above the gold Harvard line for a buy signal, and we'll see what that does at the end of, let's say, November. So, all right, let's go to our automated trading system. This is the Dow, which I think we're down a little today, but almost break even. These are today's trades, the 30th. The Russell futures didn't trade today, so there's no new trades for the 30th. The NASDAQ, on the other hand, put in new green dots today, so those are new equity peaks. This is the results of our trading. We had a pullback into Friday, and now we've come back up again. and the results of our trading, traded quite a few times. This is a pretty good day for our trading system. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 winners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 losers, and you can see that the winners really overpowered the losers as far as the value of them. So, all right, that's that. Let's flip over to stockcharts.com and look at the bullish percent indexes, and then call it a night. So here's the industrials. Didn't change. The NYA up 0.56%. The transports didn't change. The NASDAQ minus 0.09 or hardly anything. The S&P up 2.61%. So it's got a little life in it. The OEX up 4.35%. And the NDX up 3.33%. So a little bit of life in these, and we really want to see if we just get if this is the beginning of a potential reversal back to the upside, even if it's short-lived. Something that's tradable, and then we'll watch for, do we keep going long from that position, or do we start to get short? And with that, I'll leave you guys for tonight. Take care. Have a great evening, and we will talk to you later.